just woke up.
Yeah. And this will be a day in our life of kind of vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Today will be kind of a busy day, so
Yeah.
we have a lot of things to do.
we'll take you with us everywhere
Yeah,
we
we
go.
will take you with us.
First, we will go to a mall. We will have breakfast there, and you'll buy something. Yeah, and then we'll come back, chill the apartment, show you the residence and stuff. And yeah, that's it.
So keep watching and come spend the day with us.
Let's go.
Hello.
So now we just got to Pavilion.
Yeah, and we are going to.
Yeah, we're going to DJI. We're going to buy a gimbal, so it makes it easier to film.
Yeah, because now I'm holding with my hand.
And
Which floor?
I think it's level 5, right? We're at 4. Let's go up.
Yeah, we have to go up. So we will go to the store first, buy the gimbal, and then go to a coffee,
then go
have breakfast,
yeah.
and we will unbox it there, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Yay. Are you excited to get
Yeah, I'm so
your
excited
gimbal?
to get a gimbal. Yeah.
He was watching videos yesterday, the whole night. تعلمنا حفظت انت. Just got it.
So we just got the gimbal.
And now we have to look for somewhere to sit and have breakfast. I think I saw on TikTok there's like some coffees and level 3,
Yeah.
so we can like go and check them. Yeah, we still didn't have breakfast. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
I'm excited to unbox it and try it.
لا يحشى عنك. Hoppa. Okay. كان ناخذ الفاكهة. هذه كانت الترايبود. الباق فيها فلة الباق الباق متاعها هذيك ستيكرز.
So the breakfast turned into lunch.
Yeah, as always.
As always. Each time we come to have breakfast, we look like we said, oh, it's 2 or 3 p.m. So I think it's time for lunch. So
Because we already wake up like after 12.
yeah, and we are trying the gimbal as you saw in the video, but we are now waiting for it to do that. That's why I'm buying a gimbal, because yeah. So it's doing an update, so we are waiting for it. We will eat. Meanwhile, that's it. How was the pasta?
Not bad.
Good. Yeah. Look like wow, but let's see. Like it's very thin. It's like the one I do with the tortillas.
Going up.
back home.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So are we
So,
going
yeah.
to work out?
Yeah, we're going to work out a bit. Maybe for 10 minutes or something. Yeah. And
We'll
then,
see. And so
yeah, just to show them the gym, maybe.
yeah.
We'll see, or maybe just show them the gym.
Yeah,
Actually,
we'll
that's
see.
it.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to swim because today is so hot. It's like 37 degrees and it feels like 43.
Yeah, so we will swim, show you around, and
Yeah,
that's it.
but
And
I don't
get
think
some
we're going to the gym.
work done.
Yeah. But
And-
first, we're gonna try the gimbal at
Yeah.
home. Get used to it. Yeah.
Should we show them the apartment?
It's messy.
Is it?
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, it's not that messy.
Yeah. Okay, it's not that messy, right? So here we have kitchen. Mind the garbage. And here is the living room. We have a huge table here. We work here. And we have a big TV. This is the view that we have. It's really nice. Actually, the apartment is on level 31, so we get a pretty good view. This is the room. It's huge. It's big. We also get the view from here too. Yeah. Then we have a bathroom, shower, bathroom. Yeah, everything you need. Yeah, that's my stuff. That's it. But the house is big, it's good, and we really like it. But we are moving.
We are moving tomorrow.
Yeah, from this house.
Yeah, because we booked it until 25, and
Yeah.
when we tried to book more, it's already booked. So yeah, we
Yeah.
have to move.
When we first booked the flight, we booked from 28 to 25. 28 or 25? 25 to 25, so it's like a month. And we booked the Airbnb for a month, but then we decided to extend our trip and add 2 weeks. We wanted to extend the renting here, but it was all
Already
booked.
booked.
Yeah. So we changed to another residence, and we are really excited about it.
First video with the gimbal. Hey, Aya.
Hi.
Wow. It's so stable, I guess. Okay. Swim a little bit. Yeah, we have the whole pool for ourselves today, which is really cool. It's nice. حاول فيما يقع تلفها قال الدور معه Hello again.
So now we are on the hop
Hop on. Yeah.
bus, and sadly it's raining.
So we chose to sit at the side.
Yeah, we literally waited for this activity to do for a month.
Yeah.
We every day
we wanted to do it in when
like
it's
good
not
weather.
raining and all, yeah.
So we sit outside, like, and every time we start like delaying it and saying like, okay, we'll do it in a good weather. When we booked, the weather went crazy. There was a storm. Now it's raining, so we booked inside, but we are on the rooftop.
Yeah, and we are on the top, so, still got a good view.
Yeah.
But people outside are like struggling.
They're like
they're
putting
wearing plastic bags and umbrellas and stuff.
waterproof stuff. So
Yeah. So
we're excited for
yeah,
this
excited
night.
for the tour. There will be some traffic, I guess. But yeah.
Actually, we discovered most of the places around KL, but
Yeah, we
night
discovered
and
other
day.
places.
So like we've been here for a month, so yeah.
But
then,
yeah,
like,
we just want to do this for the activity, you know.
Yeah.
I've never done open up in my life. She never
Same.
done open up in her life. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me show you the bus a little bit.
I don't know if the sound is good.
So we just finished the open up, and now we're looking for something to eat, and then we go home.
Yeah, it was a good
Yeah,
ride.
it was a good ride, but I highly recommend it for people like who have like short stays, like 2 or 3
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
But if you're staying for a long time here,
You will
with
see
yours,
it anyways.
go places. So yeah, you don't need to.
Like we knew everything. Like we went to mostly all the places, so it was not something new to us. But it's cool to have a ride.
So yeah, I think here we got to the end of our video.
Yeah. I hope you like this
I
video
hope you
and
enjoy it.
you enjoyed spending a day with us. And yeah,
see you.
see you.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram.
Yep.